So today we're gonna get into Unit 2. It seems like it's about greeting people using affirmative phrases and things like that. So let's just jump right in. Which one of these is night? Nuit?
Nuit.
Allô,
Hello. I was actually thinking in German, like the way the lady says hello. It's hello. That's the way it's supposed to be pronounced in Haitian Creole. That's hello. Hello.
Allô.
Sali,
This is a kind of a French word. Salut. That's what they say in French. It means hey or morning. I don't know. Hey,
Sali, bonsoir.
afternoon,
Bonjour André.
good morning, Andre.
Bonjour.
Bonne nuit, good night.
Bonsoir. Bonne nuit.
What you hear? Bonsoir.
Bonsoir. Bonne nuit. Non, moi c'est André.
Andre.
Bonjour. Non, moi c'est André. Non, moi c'est André. Allô. Non, moi c'est André.
Hello, my name's Andre.
Sali. Non, moi c'est André.
Sali, ap. Manger, diri.
Salut, ma panche diri. This is not something that people would like. Hey, I'm eating rice. Silly. Let's go.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye. Okay.
Au revoir.
Bye.
Au revoir. Ma boule.
I'm good.
Na boule.
We're good. Okay. This phrase here was popularized by Wyclef Jean, the Haitian singer, but it's not commonly used anymore. Sac passe na boule, that's kind of an old phrase. So, but just in case, good to know.
Tifi, sac passé.
Girl, again, this is not something you would say to someone. Tiffy, sac passe. Hey, little girl, what's up? Nah.
Bonjour. Sali. Allô. Sac passé. Bonjour. Sali. Allô. Ça. Passé. Sac passé. Ma boule.
What's up? I'm good. What's up? Bye. See you later.
Bonsoir. Karine ap manje diri.
Afternoon, Karin is eating rice. Even in English, that sounds weird, right?
Mrele Karine.
My name is.
Bonjour. Mrele Karine. Rele Karine.
I feel like they use this name because of Joe Biden's press secretary. Like her name's Karine Jean-Pierre. But this is so not like, well, there are definitely people that have this name in Haiti, but this is so not a common name. Marie, Jeanne, Judith, these names, yeah, but Karen is not that popular.
Bonne nuit. Na wepita.
I see you later. We're good.
N. Ap. Boule.
Bye. See you later.
Au revoir. N. Ouais. Pita.
Au revoir now, Pita. Good. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
La nuit.
La nuit. Night. La nuit is usually accompanied by na la nuit, which would be at night. Another word would be le soir. Both mean at night.
La nuit. Li relem la nuit.
He called me.
Yo content.
They are happy
Nous rencontrer André.
to meet.
Rencontrer. Content rencontrer ou André.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet. Namaste, Karin. My is Karin. Nice to meet you, Andre. My name is Karin. Content rencontrer ou André. Namaste, Karin.
Moi content rencontrer ou. Content rencontrer ou. Qui jan ou ye?
How are you?
Karine. Qui jan liye? Karine. Qui jan liye?
Qui jan nou ye?
No
Nou.
is So both we and you, we have one word for both of them. So it's just about context that's gonna determine exactly what are we talking about. Are we talking about all of us, like myself included, or am I just talking about other people? So how are we? That could also be how are you?
Li pa pi mal.
It's not too bad. At night,
Lan nuit.
women,
Fi,
he, child, Timon,
timoun.
they is not too
Li, pa, pi, mal.
Nou pa pi mal.
Papi Mal. We're making progress. That's good.
Allô. Bonsoir. Bonne nuit.
Bonsoir. Good afternoon, good night. Hey,
Sali. Mrele André. Na we pita. Bonjour. Non mwen se André. Au revoir.
quick introduction and then bye. Good afternoon.
Bonsoir. Mwen kontan renkontre ou.
To meet you. Oh, it's nice. I'm happy to meet you.
Sak pase. Ma boule. Me. Pase. Me. Ap. Boule. Karine. Ki jan liye? Karine. Ki. Jan. Li. Ye. Li relem lan nuit. Li. Rele. Me. Lan nuit. Bonne nuit. Na we pita. Bonne nuit. Na. A. We. Pita.
Peter is later. Good.
Allô? Bonjour, André. Allô, André. Rencontrer. Allô, André. Mwen.
Hi.
Sali.
Oh, hey.
Sali. Nou.
Allô? Bonjour. Bonne nuit.
Morning.
Manger. Diri.
Mwen. Allô. Bonsoir. Yap manje diri? Bonsoir. Oui. Ap. Mange diri.
Morning.
Bonjour. Bonne nuit. Bonjour. Non mwen se André. Non mwen se André. Bonsoir. Bonne nuit.
Night.
Bonsoir. Na bwe let. Ap boe. Let. Sali. Ap manger. Diri.
Sally m'a mangé du non, moi, c'est André. Same thing. When good. Go.
Au revoir.
Sali. Au revoir.
Bye. See you.
Ti garçon. Fi.
Au revoir.
Mwen.
Mrele André. Na we pita.
Lovely phrase. Straight to the point. See you later.
Nap boule. Ti garçon. Ap boule. Ti garçon.
Naboule Tigasson. This is something that you would never hear in Haitian Creole. Naboule Tigasson. Never.
Sak pase, Karine.
Again, Maboule. That you would never hear that.
Sak pase, nap boule.
No, it's not nothing much.
Dlo.
Fi, manje.
Bye bye.
I'm good. Naboule.
Ap boule.
Okay. Maboule literally means I'm on fire. So you would never hear Maboule in Haitian Creole. It's always not we. That's the expression. It's not like you can conjugate your way through that. You cannot say Maboule, Waboule, Laboule, Yaboule. No. It's straight. It just set Naboule. That's it. No Maboule, no Yaboule, no Laboule. Okay? So this is hardly correct.
Pase, ma boule. Sa, k. Pase, me. Ap, boule.
Bye. Au revoir. Bye. See you later. I don't know what it's gonna napwapita, what it's gonna accept here. Okay.
Yo kontan. Yo kontan.
Lan nuit. Mwen pa pi mal.
Nou renkontre André. Nou renkontre André.
Nou pa pi mal.
nous,
Manger.
qui jan lan nuit,
Li pa pi mal.
qui jan nou ye, qui jan nou ye,
Li lan nuit.
Yeah, it's night. Is that good English? It's night.
diri,
Dlo.
Water.
boe, rencontrer,
Mm,
Pi. Li. Pa. Pi. Mal. Karine. Ki jan li ye? Ki jan li ye?
yo content, bonjour, mrele Karine. Nous rencontrer André. Nous rencontrer André.
Karine. Ki jan li ye? Non, moi c'est André. Au revoir. Non, moi c'est André. Au revoir. Sak pase, Karine.
Yo content. Content. Qui jan nou ye? Moi content rencontrer ou. Content rencontre ou
Bonjour. Non, moi c'est André.
Karine.
This was supposed to be harder.
Qui jan li ye?
Non, moi c'est André. Au revoir.
Moi content rencontre ou
Non.
non.
Oui.
Yeah.
Merci.
Merci.
Excusez-moi.
Excusez.
You and I.
Ak. T'en prie, souple.
Oui. T'en prie souple. T'en prie souple.
Mreme diri.
I like rice.
Merci. Li remet d'lo. Li remet d'lo.
Oui.
Yes, please. We.
Souple. Mwen. Reme. Diri.
This is such a stereotype. I mean, it's true. I like rice, but like every phrase doesn't need to be, "Hey, I like rice." Thanks, I like rice. He like rice and milk.
Yo remet diri ak let
This is Haitian.
créole.
Pat kwa.
Padqua is a loan translation from the French Paduqua, which means you're welcome. But this is not used very commonly in Haitian Creole because it's a very French way to say pas de problème, no problem. Pas de problème would be a better way to say you're welcome. It's more common.
Pat kwa.
Pas de quoi. Moi remet manger diri.
Come
Manger.
on now.
Remet manger diri.
Everything is about eating rice.
Non merci. M'pale créole.
Moi parler anglais.
Okay, again, how anglais is, they say anglais, not anglais. Anglais is very, okay, when you hear that, it's very Creole, but also if you're talking to people that are educated, they're gonna think that you're not that educated if you say anglais instead of anglais, the French version of that.
Oui, m'pale anglais. Oui, m'pale anglais. T'en prie, souple. Pale créole.
Please speak Creole.
Non merci. Pardonnez-moi.
No, thank you.
Pardonnez. Non merci. Map manger diri ak pain.
Eating rice and bread. Always rice. Eat rice with everything. Bread
Souple. Pardonnez-moi.
and milk. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Is that Brian Adams? Brian Adams. Please forgive me.
Souple. Pardonnez.
Mwen.
Mwen pale anglais.
Pardonnez. Non. Excusez-moi.
Souple.
Merci. Pas de quoi. Souple. Non merci. Pas de
Okay.
merci.
Okay. Thank you. That's why you're welcome. Welcome. Please. No, thank you.
Anglais.
Okay, if you want to write that, like the correct way, anglais, you just put an accent on the final E there. Okay.
Excusez-moi.
Excusez-nous.
Excuse us.
Souple, mangez diri mwen. Mangez diri mwen.
Pas de quoi. Moi reme manger diri. Rem manger diri.
Oui, m parle anglais. Oui, m anglais. M'reme diri. M reme diri.
Okay, Duolingo. Thanks for the reminder. Oh, I got diamonds. I got diamonds. Hello.
Allô,
How do we?
allô. Sali, non mwen se André.
Bonjour André.
Bonsoir, bonne nuit. Allô, non mwen se André.
Bonsoir.
Sali, map manje diri.
Good afternoon. Wait, what did I miss? Okay, Sally Mapoliti. You imagine? What? Hey, good morning. What's the difference really? I'm losing my Haitian Creole. Okay, good evening. Are they eating rice? Also, what Majidi? Is that good for you?
Bonjour. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit.
Bonjour, non mwen se André. Bonjour, non mwen se André.
Morning. Bonjour.
Bonsoir. Na boelette. Ap. Boelette.
Good afternoon.
Bonsoir. Bonne nuit.
Sali, map manje diri.
What? I am at this point. I am.
Sali, map manje diri.
Hey, I am eating rice. Hey,
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Tifi. Sak pase.
that sounds so creepy.
Na boule. Ap. Boule.
Au revoir, na wepita.
Okay, see you later. Nelly,
Ma boule. Ap. Boule.
Non mwen se André. Au revoir. Mrele André. Na wepita.
Oh, come on now.
Sak pase. Na boule.
Nothing much. Bye bye now. What good? Sapasi kali.
Mwen papi mal. Li papi mal. Li papi mal.
M kontan renkontre ou, André. Non mwen se Karine. Nou renkontre André.
Nou papi mal.
Mwen kontan renkontre ou.
Yo kontan. Ki jan ou rele? Ki jan rele? Karine, ki jan liye? Karine, ki jan liye? Li relem lan nuit? Sali, map manje diri. Bonsoir. Bonne nuit.
Bonsoir, bonne nuit.
Nou renkontre André. Karine ki jan liye.
Non mwen se André. Au revoir. Mwen se André. Au revoir. Ki jan nou ye. Mrele André. Na wepita. M rele André.
Na wepita.
N wepita.
Mwen kontan renk ou.
Karine, ki jan liye? Ki jan liye?
Mwen kontan renkontre ou. Merci. Li remen dlo.
Rice, water. My bad.
L
Ak.
ou mwen.
Oui. Tan pri souple. Tan pri souple. Non. Eskizem.
Tan pri souple. Tan pri souple. Excusez-nous. Souple.
Ti gason. Oui. Ak. Manje.
Excusez. M Yo reme diri ak let. Reme diri ak let.
That sounds so bad. Sounds so bad.
Merci. Reme dlo ak let. Dlo ak let. Non, merci. Ti garçon.
No, merci, petit garçon. That sounds so robotic. Yes, please.
Oui, souple, mwen, reme, diri.
Non merci, ti garçon. Merci, li reme dlo.
Yeah. Good. Thank you.
Anglais,
Manger. L. Nou,
You're welcome.
pas de quoi. Ouais.
souple, pain.
Y. Mwen pale anglais. Et anglais, oui. Mwen pale créole.
Pas de quoi. Non. Merci.
Souple, padonem. Mwen pale anglais.
Please forgive me. I speak English.
Tan pale créole.
Oui, mwen pale créole. Oui, mwen pale créole.
Non merci. Pardonnez mwen. Souple, pardonnez-moi. Merci. Pas de quoi. Souple, non merci.
Thank you. Please, no, thank you. Thank you. Miss one. No, please, no, merci.
Merci. Li remet dlo. Merci. Pas de quoi. Souple, non merci.
No, thank you. Okay.
Merci.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. Welcome here. Souple, please. No, thank you.
Non merci. Map manje diri ak pain.
There is no Haitian ever.
Non. Merci. Ap manje diri ak pain. Souple, pardonnez-moi.
Oui, m pale anglais. Oui, m pale anglais.
Souple, pardonnez-moi. Mwen pale anglais.
Souple, manje diri mwen. Manje, diri. Mwen. Souple, manje diri mwen.
Please eat my rice. Oh my gosh. Well,
Mwen ak non merci. Pardonnez mwen. Pardonnez mwen.
Li, reme, dlo. Ak, let. Souple, manje, diri mwen.
Yo reme diri ak let.
Oui. Non, non. Yo reme diri ak let. Non. Non. Non.
you and me?
Oui, tan pri souple. Li reme dlo ak let.
Water.
Eski nou? Non. Eskizem.
Merci, li, reme, dlo. Pas de quoi, pas de quoi.
Okay, another word for please is s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît is very common as well. I think more common than tant pis. So souple here is a shorter version of tant pis, of s'il vous plaît. So use s'il vous plaît at will.
Mwen pale anglais. Souple, pardonnez-moi. Mwen pale anglais.
Oui, mwen pale créole.
Yes.
Mwen pale anglais. Oui, m pale anglais.
Souple, pardonnez-moi.
Good. Kind of.
Tan pri souple, pale créole.
That's good.
Non merci. Pardonnez-moi. Merci, pardonnez.
Merci. Pas de quoi?
Non. Merci, pardonne mwen.
People also say tant pis People also say tant pis s'il vous plaît, a combination of the two.
Merci, pas de quoi. Souple, non merci.
Thank you. You're welcome. Please. Thank you.
M'reme diri, man, reme, diri, souple, manje, diri, mwen.
Non merci, map manje diri ak pain. Ap manje diri ak pain, non merci. Pardonne mwen, souple, pardonnem. Mwen pale anglais, mwen pale anglais.
Reme, dlo, ak, let. Oui, m'parle anglais.
What did I miss? What did I miss?
Oui, m'parle anglais. Oui, m'parle anglais.
Mwen ak ou
Li, reme, dlo, ak, let.
Diamond for me.
Mwen ak.
bonsoir, nap boue let. N ap boue let.
Karine, ki jan liye? M'reme diri, reme, diri. Li, rele, l'ennuit. Li, l'ennuit.
Mwen papi mal.
Mwen kontan renkontre ou.
Non mwen se André. Au revoir.
Struggling with punctuation. Good. Well, that was fun and long. And we learned that Haitians love, they love rice. Okay. See you guys next time.